Today is we're going to winterize this door. I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic sheet over it, but in order to do that, I'm going to have to take some of the hardware off, and I'll put it on afterwards again. It's winterized. Now, wind is proof because there's a lot of wind. It might have to do too much flop, or I might come back here with a staple gun and just staple it all in and have a whole bunch of them like that. Oh, God.